Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Bharti, student of Journalism and Mass Communication. My topic for assignment is radio performers. Like radio jockey, announcer, compare, radio artists, these are the radio performers. So, first of all, I'll discuss about what is radio performers, what is the work of radio performers. So I will discuss about I have prepared a PPT on radio performers, but before this I will explain about this. And so good voice quality is an asset to professional voice users, including radio performers. We examined whether voice could be reliably categorized as good for the radio, and these categories could be predicted using acoustic measures. So, radio jockey is a person who hosts a radio talk show where the RJ selects the music to be played or topic of discussion by interacting with the audience. The interaction is often via telephone but may also be online or via email. This term is primarily used by Indians who coined it from Western disc jockey. The term derives from disc jockey and denoting a person who plays in um, disco and westernized radio stations. So increasingly, radio jockeys are expected to supplement their on-air personality by posting information online, such as on blog. This may be either to generate additional revenue or to connect with listeners. Radio jockey is an exciting, promising, and extremely challenging career for music lovers. If you are really interested in a radio jockey career, then it is very important for you to have a spontaneous, pleasant, friendly personality. If you want to pursue a career in their field, a strong command over the language and good voice is always a good thing. Apart from this, in order to become a good jockey, you shall also listen to good radio jockey. You shall also listen to good radio jockey so that you can understand their style and later develop your own with practice. Now come to radio announcer. What is the work of radio announcers? So an announcer is a person who makes announcements in an audio medium or a physical location. A radio announcer works in the broadcasting industry, works in and might assume various roles such as reporting, live sporting, hosting a talk show, playing music over airwaves. Some radio announcers, such as news broadcasters, might follow script while others add live the content of a program. Radio announcer usually require a combination of internship experience and a bachelor's degree in a program related to broadcasting. Radio announcers hold many different broadcasting positions like those of disc jockeys, news announcers, or talk show hosts. Although there are typically no formal education, there is no proper requirements for public address announcer usually must have a bachelor's degree. Compare then we should also know about the compare. A compare is a person who introduces the people taking part in radio or television show or a live show. A person who entertains the audience and introduces the different performer in a show. The master of ceremonies sometimes also refers to the protocol officer during an official state function. Especially in monarchies today, the term is often used to connote a person who presents performers, speaks to the audience, entertains people, and generally keeps an event moving. This usually occurs in the entertainment industry, for example, in reference to television game show hosts, as well as in contemporary hip hop and electronic dance music culture. So these are the works of the radio performers as I explained. Now I will explain you with the help of this PPT. You can see here qualities of a radio jockey. Radio jockey is also abbreviated as RJ. Introduction to RJs. A radio jockey is a person who hosts a radio talk show where the RJ selects the music to be played or topic of discussion. By interacting with the audience, the interaction is often via telephone but may also be online or via email. These days, a RJ not only plays a part of the navigator, but his or her main aim is to entertain the listeners and simultaneously provide regular online information. Every successful RJ has its own style of communicating. A sweet mid to heavy voice is considered suitable for broadcasting, but moreover, it's your own aptitude, your overall confidence, your personality to deliver all of it through your voice. What does an RJ has to do every day? First of all, an RJ does not have a regular 9 to 5 job. He can be called to host or anchor a show any time of the day or night. An RJ has to be very open to himself. Whatever may be your emotions, an RJ is always happy. He should be actually active. He or she should know his or her city well, the culture, and be aware of main events taking place. RJ should know of the language or further some dialects of other languages also, to punch in whenever necessary. Since radio cannot survive without movies, songs, or Bollywood in terms of India, so awareness about them is considered a necessity. An RJ should also be able to write scripts for a show. One thing more, if you have written your script yourself, you know if the subject matter can change and manipulate at your own will. In short, you may have the following qualities. You enjoy talking to people and have a desire to be aware. You must be original and should have your own style. Your other voice performance or qualities like mimicry, local dialects, and comedy or humor items helps to carry on the show. You can't afford to have inhibition. You should know how to provide variations and modulations in your voice. You should be fluent and not monotonous, as this may create boredom in your audience. Modulate your voice well, and your fan following will increase and open the way to other assignments. If you can sound different on your show, people will enjoy listening to you. Radio announcer, voice synthesizers, interview questions. These are the radio performers. So I discussed here about the works of the radio performers and how radio performers work in the field. Thank you.